Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about your new chapter 8 parameter and area. In this chapter first we discuss about what is the meaning of parameter. My dear student, what is the meaning of parameter? Parameter of a figure is the sum of all its sides. Parameter of a figure is the sum of all its sides. Okay. Suppose ABCD is rectangle. I hope that all are know about what is the rectangle. ABCD is rectangle. Rectangle is two-dimensional figure. Rectangle is a two-dimensional figure, okay, which having opposite sides are in equal, okay. In this figure ABCD, this is rectangle, this is the two-dimensional figure, okay. That's why there will be only two dimension. First is length, second is breadth. First is length, second is breadth. So ABCD is two-dimensional figure. This is the rectangle, okay. In this rectangle AB and DC, this is length. AB and DC, this is length, and AD and BC, this is breadth. In this rectangle ABCD, length is 15 centimeter, length is 15 centimeter, and breadth is 10 centimeter, okay. Length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So I have one question. How will you find out the parameter of the given rectangle? In this question we will apply the formula. That is the main formula. Parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. L stands for length and B stands for breadth, okay. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, okay. So parameter of the given rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. In this figure length is 15. As you are looking, length is 15 and breadth is 10, okay. In this figure length is 15, and breadth is 10. So parameter of rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into L plus B. Value of length is 15 and value of breadth is 10, okay. 15 plus 10, it will give to you 25. 15 plus 10, it will give to you 25. 25 to the 50 centimeter. 25 to the 50 centimeter. The meaning is 50 centimeter is parameter of the given rectangle, okay. So parameter means parameter of a figure is the sum of all its sides, okay. Again, suppose this is square, PQRS, this is square. What is the square? Likewise, square is a two-dimensional figure. Square is two-dimensional figure which having all sides are in equal length. Square is a two-dimensional figure which having all sides are in equal length. As you are looking in this square, all sides are in 12 centimeter, okay. So parameter of square PQRS is equal to 4 into side. Parameter means sum of all side. Parameter means sum of all side. How many sides are there? This is first side, second side, third side and fourth side. So parameter of square is 4 into side. In square all sides are in equal. Okay. In this square side is 12 centimeter. So 4 into 12 is, it will give to you 48 centimeter. 4 into 12 centimeter, it will give to you 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter is parameter of the given square. Okay. Again, I have one more question. For example, suppose, now look here. Suppose this is a rectangle. Okay. This is a rectangle. Suppose A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay. Now in this rectangle there are two lengths. AB and DC is length. AB and DC is length. This is AB is length and DC is length. AB is length, DC is length, BC is breadth, 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 and AD is breadth. Okay. Suppose in this rectangle length is 20 centimeter. Length is 20 centimeter. Length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. So how will you find out parameter of the rectangle? You know very well, parameter of rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. In this figure length is 20 and breadth is 15. Okay. This is 2, 20 plus 15, it will give to you 35. 35 to the 70 centimeter. The meaning is 70 centimeter is parameter of the given rectangle. Okay. So parameter means sum of all side. I have one more example for square. As you know very well, in square all sides are in equal. In square all sides are in equal. Suppose this is PQRS. PQRS is square. What is square? Square is two-dimensional figure which having all sides are in equal length. Suppose which having all sides are in equal in length. Suppose in this square length is 10 centimeter. So all sides will be 10 centimeter. All sides will be 10 centimeter and parameter of square will be 4 into side. Parameter of square will be 4 into side. Side is 10 centimeter. 4 10 ja 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is parameter of the given square. Okay. So this is the some example about parameter of rectangle and square. Okay. Again, my dear student, we will discuss about some problems from your book, page number 137. Okay. I hope that what is the parameter of rectangle and square, it will be very clear to you. Suppose, we will discuss about some problems from your book, page number 137. Do and learn. In this question, find the parameter of the following figure. Figures are not drawn to scale. Okay. Suppose ABCD. What is this figure? This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay. Please keep in mind, in rectangle only opposite sides are in equal. In rectangle only opposite sides are in equal. Suppose AD and BC, they are in equal length, and DC and AB, they will be in equal in length. In this rectangle, length is 8.5 centimeter, breadth is 6.5 centimeter. Parameter of rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into L plus B. L stand for length, B stand for breadth. 2, length is 8.5, breadth is 6.5. 8.5 plus 6.5, it will give to you 15, and 15 to the 30. Okay, so 30 centimeter is parameter of the rectangle. Okay, this is the required answer for required question. Again, we will find the parameter of the square. In this figure, PQRS is square. PQRS is square. In square, all sides are in equal in length. Suppose this is 44, this is 44. Again, it will be 44, and this side will be 44 centimeter. Parameter of square PQRS is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. Value of side is 44. 44 into 4, it will give to you 176 centimeter. Look here, 44 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. This is 6. Carry over is 1. 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Answer is 176 centimeter. 176 centimeter is parameter of the given square PQRS. Okay. Again, I have one more question. In this question, we will find out parameter of square EFGH. This is square. Okay. In square, all sides will be in equal in length. Side is 32 centimeter. Okay. So parameter of square EFGH is equal to 4 into side. 4 into 32, it will give to you 128 centimeter. Now look here, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. 128 centimeter is parameter of the given square. Okay. Again, we will discuss about one more problem. Suppose MNOP. This is rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are in equal. Opposite sides are in equal. MP and NO, they will be 12.5 centimeter. MP and NO, they will be in 12.5 centimeter, and OP and MN, OP and MN, they will be in 4.5 centimeter. Okay. In rectangle, only opposite sides will be equal. Only opposite side will be equal in rectangle. Okay. In this question, we will find out parameter of rectangle MNOP is equal to 2 into L plus B. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Length is 12.5 and breadth is 4.5. After adding, we will get 12.5 plus 4.5. 5 plus 5, 10. This is 0. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, and this is 1. 12.5 plus 4.5, it will give to you 17. 17 to the 34 centimeter. 34 centimeter is parameter of the given rectangle. Okay, so my dear student, there are some questions depend on the parameter. Okay, and parameter means sum of all sides. Again, this is question number 2. Find the parameter of the following figure. Figures are not drawn to scale. Figures are not drawn to scale. Okay, suppose this is PQRS. PQRS is, there is quadrilateral. This type of figure we can say this is the quadrilateral. Okay, what is the meaning of quadrilateral? You will be discuss about quadrilateral in higher classes. Okay, so parameter of the figure PQRS is equal to, parameter means sum of all side. So PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. PQ is 6, QR is 4.4, RS is 3.4, and PS is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now we will add these four numbers. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, this is 3, carry over is 1, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21.3. 21.3 is parameter of the given figure. Okay, the meaning is, in this question we will find out the parameter of the figure PQRS. So parameter means sum of all side. So what we will do, PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Then after we will apply the numbers. PQ is 6 centimeter, QR 4.4, RS 3.4, PS 7.5. After adding you will get 21.3 centimeter. 21.3 centimeter is parameter of the given figure. Okay, again we will discuss about question number B. This is the hexagon. Hexagon means there are 6 sides. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the hexagon, and in this hexagon we will find out the parameter. Parameter means sum of all side. Okay, so parameter of the figure A B C D E F is equal to sum of all side. Sum of all side. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus AF. Okay, then after we will apply the numbers. AB is 6.8, BC is 3.5, CD is 4.4, DE 7.5, EF 3.2, AF 5.8. Then after we will add these numbers. 8 plus 5 13, plus 4 17, plus 5 22, plus 2 24, plus 8 32. This is 2, carry over is 3. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, plus 7 23, plus 3 26, plus 5 31. 31.2 centimeter. 31.2 centimeter is parameter of the given figure. Okay, 31.2 centimeter is required answer. 31.2 centimeter is required answer for the given figure. Okay, again my dear student, your next question is parameter of the figure EFGH. I. This is the one figure EFGHI. And how will you find out the parameter? Parameter means sum of all side. So what we will do? Sum of all side EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus EI. Then after we will apply the numbers 4.5, this is 3, GH is 4, HI is 6.5, EI is 8.4. After adding we will get 26.4. Okay. How will you add these numbers? Now look here. How will you add these numbers? Now look here, my dear student. This is 4.5. This is 3 means 3.0. 4 means 4.0. 6.5 and this is 8.4. Okay. How will you add? 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 4 14. This is 4. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 8 26. 26.4 centimeter is parameter of the given figure EFGHI. Parameter of the given figure is 26.4 centimeter. Okay. Again, your question number 3 is the parameter of rectangle W is 44 centimeter. Its breadth is 8 centimeter. Find its length. So what we will do? In this question, ABCD is rectangle. ABCD is rectangle. The name of the given rectangle is W. Okay. The name of the given rectangle is W. In this question, we will find out the length of this rectangle. And this rectangle has breadth is 8 centimeter. In this rectangle, breadth is 8 centimeter. What will you do for finding length? Parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Parameter is 44 is equal to 2 into AB plus BC. 2 into AB plus BC. 44 is equal to 2 into AB plus 8. 44 upon 2, it will give to you 22 is equal to AB plus 8, and AB is equal to 22 minus 8, it will give to you 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is length of the given rectangle. 14 centimeter is length of the given rectangle. Okay. My dear student, I hope that all these questions depend on your book from exercise. It will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.